Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the latest Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're doing a short demonstration of the iCarsoft VAWS, that's VAWS version 1.0 kit. Now this tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. I'll also put a link to the latest blog post for this particular tools, which gives you all of the latest information, hints, tips, reviews and guides. Now in this Audi that we're in right now, we have a flashing glow plug light, as you can see there. So we're going to use this tool to actually go ahead and diagnose and reset that, and it's really simple to do. We have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and we're going to click on to diagnostics. We're then going to select Audi, and we're going to go through and select. You can either select your vehicle or the system you wish to diagnose. So it's easier just to go to system selection, I believe. Click into manually select, and we'll go to number 1, engine control module. A flashing glow plug light relates to the emission systems on this car. So you could, whether you get a flashing glow plug light or a check engine light, either way you're going to have to go into the engine control module to actually connect up with the engine system and potentially go ahead and read codes, view live data, read codes and get rid of the warning light. Now one thing about this tool, when it's connected to this particular car, it seems to be taking a lot longer to actually connect up to the control module. It will do it. I think it's taking about a minute at the moment, whereas if it was connected to another car, like I don't know, VW or whatever, it would generally connect straight away. But it's really strange. Some cars it takes a while to connect. Some cars it'll connect, in the blink of an eye. But on this car, we just need to accept that it's going to take a little bit longer, but we'll get there eventually. It looks like we're getting there now. Here we go. So we can click on to read fault code, and we've got a fault here, P010400, mass or volume airflow sensor A circuit intermittent. So this basically gives us the information to tell us that there was a faulty mass airflow sensor, and we've actually already replaced the mass airflow sensor. We diagnosed this a little while ago, put a new MAF in, but the car is running fine, but we've still got the flashing glow plug light. So what we need to do now is just go to go to clear fault memory, and we'll click on to once I click OK, just keep an eye on the flashing glow plug light there, and that's gone off straight away there, as you can see, and we've now got a raise operation done. So that's all thanks to the iCarsoft VAWS version 1.0, but it does cover a lot of systems: the engine, the transmission, ABS, steering, airbags. There's potentially 137 systems that it can connect with in this car. Obviously it all depends on the options of the car, which systems and options the car does actually have installed. But it's a great kit, and I'd highly recommend it to any VW, Audi, Seat or Skoda owner. Now the kit, as I say, is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link to this kit in the description below this video, and as I say, I'll also put a link to the latest blog post for this tool, which gives all of the latest information, hints, tips, reviews and guides. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.